This should be hanging right here. Nuh-huh. Let's flip you over. I like it when everything is in order. Finally, no one is disturbing me, and I can have some rest.
Susan, there you are. Hey, girl. Why do you look so bored? Want to see something really cool? Haha! Check me out. What do you say about this outfit? I found it in your grandma's chest. You know, I could get something for you, too.
Sorry, Sammy, but I'll pass. Conjure yourself another model for the makeover.
A model, huh? That's a great idea. I'm so ready for this. Oh, Merlin, I lost my wand. But okay, the internet should solve this problem. But what should I write? How does this sound to you? We are looking for a model for a total makeover. If you're ready to change your life, call Sam and Sue. Huh? What's that sound?
Oh, it must be our first candidate. I'm coming.
So fast? What is it, Sue? I just broke up with my boyfriend and I want to change my style, like, totally. Help me. Don't worry. We'll make a real beauty out of you. Won't we, Sue? We can't leave her alone.
I guess we don't have a choice after your post on the net.
I knew I could count on you, Sue.
So first, let's have a look at our tools for the makeover. What? Why is there nothing here? Okay, I need to make a call.
How much longer? What's going on there? Could you hurry up, maybe? No? Okay. Ugh, now the phone is ringing. Hello?
Sam, we're doing a makeover, but we're out of beauty products.
Don't sweat it. I will bring everything soon. All right, make way, everyone. Sorry. Pardon me, I just need to ask something.
Hey, this slime is skipping the line. We all just need to ask something. Who do you think you are?
I'm taking all of this. Wrap it up for me. And be quick, please. Oh, we could use this too. I'm taking it all. What do I owe you? I'm sorry, everyone. And thanks. We have a beauty emergency. There is a doll that just broke up with her boyfriend.
Oh, has she now? Yeah, she must have been devastated and extremely upset.
Well, yeah.
Just get in line like we all did.
Friends, what about the empathy? So much for beauty shopping, huh?
Where are you, Sam? The clock is ticking.
Phew, I think I lost them.
Finally, Sam, where is everything?
I'm sorry, Sue. It was awful. I barely got out of there.
Oh, were you in that store? They are so mean there.
Yes, you're so right. Whoa!
Oof, it's something heavy. I wonder what can be inside.
Then would you just hurry up and open it, Sue?
A little bit of patience, Sammy. I'm already on it. Wow, so many baggies. Huh, it looks like we have some nails here. But our doll doesn't need them.
I prepared this for you. I thought you might like it.
Why aren't you a cutie? Okay, let's get started. What a beautiful beauty case. I love the color. And I really can't wait to have a closer look at everything. What do we have here? Oh, it says it's a pimple kit. How interesting. This is just what we need. Let me carefully cut it open like this. Alrighty, here I go. Huh, very interesting. Oh, I know what's it for. These are some special tools for getting rid of the pimples. Let's get to it. Oh, spoiler alert. It does not look pretty.
Ouch!
Sorry, I know. Just hold on a little bit more. Okay, I will go old school this time.
Yuck! This is not the most pleasant procedure.
That's it. We just need to remove the post-acne from her face. Now I need to clean her face, but where are the wet wipes? There's nothing here. What about here? No? Sammy, where are the wet wipes?
I totally forgot to give them to you. I literally had to fight for them in that store.
Thank you, oh, brave knight from me and our soon-to-look-pretty doll.
So, do you want to use this already?
Not just yet, Sammy.
But Sue, please! I've got this especially for you! At least check it out!
Okay, I'll open this baggie. But that doesn't mean I want a makeover. Oh, wow! Just look at these nails. It is unbelievable. They are beautiful but so long.
Yeah, they're very comfortable to scratch your back or something. Wish I could have these.
You know, I can make it happen.
Their nails are so comfy. The most perfect fit. I can even play video games easily. What did he say? Uh-huh. Really? And what happened then? Oh my tibidaba! This is outrageous!
I like that you're having fun, but when does my makeover start?
Oops, sorry. We got carried away. We will begin right now. Firstly, let's take care of the eyebrows with special wax stripes.
You need to be careful not to remove too many hairs, you know?
Yep, I know that. Ouch! Sorry, I know it hurts. Now you have a perfect eyebrow shape. I wish I had it too.
I can help you! Just say yes to the makeover!
I'm still thinking, Sammy. We're moving on to the actual makeup. Let's start with the foundation to make the skin look even. It's gonna be so much fun. This beauty blender is so functional. You can even wear it on your hand, like this. We'll use it to make a perfect foundation layer with a blur effect.
Didn't have enough sleep, huh? Me too! But don't worry, concealer will solve the problem.
Right, it will hide the lack of sleep. We'll apply it under the eyes. Now let's even it out too.
Sue, how is it going? Oh, this brush is perfect for the blusher.
Speaking of, we actually have a bronzer here. So let's make some contouring now. I will highlight these cheekbones. The texture is just perfect. Hey, where's the face palette with the highlighter and blush?
I love shiny highlighters.
Give it back.
Hey, I didn't finish with that.
We'll add some blush to make her look fresh and rested. And this will make her shine bright like a diamond. This eyeshadow palette is so cool, I love it. Which color shall I choose?
Pink, of course.
What else could you say?
Well, what did you want from me, Sue? I know everything about pink.
I blended the shades to make the color even brighter. We shouldn't forget about the black eyeliner to complete the look. Sammy, I need the mascara. Oh, thanks. It's my favorite type of brush.
It really is working. I tested it, as you can see. Sue, check this out. I tested the lip gloss, too.
Actually, it looks good on you. It's a great choice, Sammy. This color really matches her overall look. Perfect.
Yes, it does look awesome.
Wow, you're such a beauty.
Thanks. Hey, I'm so flattered.
Now let's take care of the hairdo. It will finalize our makeover. So what kind of hairstyle is inside? Wow! These ponytails look cute.
Whoa! I have always dreamed of hair like this. So does it suit me at all?
You look splendid, but this paper hair are for our paper girlfriend. It's like it was meant for our doll and looks really cool on her.
Sue, look! I found a special baggie. Let's look inside.
Oh, all right. We got a strawberry and some kind of a blind baggie. I wonder what it is? Let's check it out now. Oh, the strawberry is some rare type.
Finally! My collection is complete! This is just what I was missing. Can I have it?
Of course.
Wow, I can't believe it. Thanks, Sam and Sue. You did awesome.
You are very welcome. This was very inspiring.
Yeah. Do you know what else we can do?
Huh? What are you talking about?
Let's have a fashion show.
Oh, let's. I'm gonna be first. Be right back.
How much longer?
Give me just a second. Here I am. I like this outfit very much, but I guess it's too bright for everyday life. What do you say?
You look great. It's very trendy now. I put 8 out of 10. No questions.
Great, I need to change now.
I wonder what comes next.
This is really comfy. But I don't think I can go outside like that. Or can I?
You don't need to go outside. It's high home fashion. And it's 9 out of 10. Let's make a oops. A bonus demonstration, please. Come on, Sue. I'm sure you have something else.
Okay, I've got an idea. This kind of looks plain. What do you say?
This is the best. 10 out of 10.
But this is my regular outfit. I always dress up like this.
Well, it suits you. You look perfect.
Okay, if you say so. Friends, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
See you soon in our next videos. Bye-bye.